Hi YouTube, Engineer Board 100. Today's video is a super fast, super specific SLK230 seat cover removal video. I'm going to show you guys how to remove these little caps that the headrest goes into. Here's the left side here, already out. I just removed that one. Okay, what you have to do is you have to stick a small metal, straight, perfectly straight screwdriver or other tool down into a hole that is in the insert. I'll show you where the hole is now on the one that's out. This is where the hole is located that you're trying to get into. It's about 1.25 inches in, and it's right here. You want to go in at an angle from the inside and pry this way towards the inside of the insert. So let me show you on the one that's out, and then I'll show you how to remove the one that's still in. Okay, so this is the left insert removed, and this is the hole that you're aiming for when you go down through the opening. When you go down through here, okay, it's across from this little switch that releases the headrest. You want to go in about 1.25 inches, okay? So that's how far it is to this hole, about 1.25 inches. And you want something thin, like 1/8 inch or so thick, so that it can get the right angle to actually get in there, because you have to go in at an angle to get into this hole. So you go in like this, and you go into this hole. So now you see it's in the hole, okay, like that. And then you pry, okay, you pry like this to release this little catch and bring it down below these. There's two little, on either side, there's two little walls that this goes down below. So I'll show you again. You go in like that, and you pull this down, and once this is down below those walls, you can pull the insert out. Now I'll show you on the chair how to remove the other one. Okay, so now I'll show you how to remove one that is on the seat still. You go in, like I said, 1.25 inches. Okay, and I'm going to go in at this angle, and I know it's in the lean. Now I'm going to pry towards the inside. Once I'm prying, I know that it's free. Then you can just pull the insert out of the seat cover. All right, I hope this helps some of my SLK buddies, because this sure gave me a headache trying to figure out how to do it. Have a nice day.